Hello, my heel diviners. Hello, everyone. So glad you are here. So, welcome you all. So, let's see what cards have in store for you in this coming week of September 29th to October 4th. I've already taken out the cards. So, let's go ahead with the reading. So, the main message is Mercury, which is communication. Then is Kailash Mansover, means keep going, don't give up. And what to expect in the coming week? The Lovers, Leadership, that's King of Wands, Six of Wands, Temperance, Page of Cups. And also, let's see what are the blessings coming for you. Blessing is the power of love and the Chariot. So, now, what I can see, the week is about two things here. Communication is the key, that is the Mercury. So, now how you talk, listen, and write is very important. So, be clear and honest in all your conversation this coming week. And with Kailash and Mansover means don't give up because you are on a steady path. Even if it feels slow or difficult, keep moving forward because your perseverance will pay off. So that's the main message for the coming week. So let's see what to expect in the coming week. So with the Lovers card, so okay, before I continue, so with Mercury and with Kailash Mansobar, what I would see with these two cards is that your steady effort combined with the clear communication will guide you through the week. So please keep going, don't stop. That's the main message what I'm getting. And your focus, willpower, guided by communication and perseverance, will lead you to success. Because this week, Mercury is reminding you that how you talk and listen is very crucial, as I said. And Kailash and Mansovar is giving you the energy of a sacred journey. So keep moving with determination, even if the path is steep. So, what to expect now? Now, with the lovers. Now, with the lovers, what I feel is an important choice or connection there will be. So, this week may start with a significant decision or a moment of deep alignment. Now, this isn't just about romance, it's about choosing what you truly love and value. It could be a relationship, a project, or a path in life. Because Mercury's influence means clear, honest communication will be the key to making the right choice. Then comes King of Wands, means taking confident actions. So after the choice you have made, you will step into your power. Because the King of Wands is passionate, charismatic, and a natural leader. And you will feel motivated and then you are ready to take bold decisions. Bold action on your decisions. So this is the energy of don't give up in motion. Then comes Six of Wands, which is a public recognition or a victory, you can say. So here, your confident action, which you have done, leads to a win, which is the Six of Wands. So, because this is a card of success, um, recognition, and celebration. So, expect to feel acknowledged this week for your efforts. People may see your achievements and will applaud you. Then comes Temperance. Now, temperance is finding the perfect balance. So, after all the excitement, temperance appears to ensure stability. Now, this card is about blending different parts of your life very peacefully, and it's advising you this coming week and definitely the whole every time that be patient and be in moderation, because don't let the victory go into your head. Find a calm, centered way to integrate the success in your life. Then comes Page of Cups. So that Page of Cups is a sweet opportunity coming, a new opportunity coming. So this week will end on a gentle and a positive note for you that will bring a new emotional um, or some type of a creative opportunity for you. For some, it can be also a very heartful message or a new artistic idea or a gesture of kindness that will touch your heart this week. So stay open to the sweet surprise coming to you. So, and then let's see the blessings. Blessing is the power of love and the chariot. Now, with the power of love, means your intentions are strong and it is heard. Your focused thoughts and your words have extra power this week to shape your reality. So here's written, give this situation to God for uplifting and healing, and be open to miracles, because heaven's unlimited resources, love, and answers are awaiting your prayers. Be sure to act upon the divine guidance God gives you in response to your prayers. See, what a lovely message. Blessing you've got this coming week. And then with the chariot, it says it is the ultimate card of willpower and victory, which means you have the energy to overcome any opposition and to move forward. See, there is a sun is also rising. That means a new opportunity is coming to you this coming week. So move forward decisively towards your goal this week. And because this blessing combines your focus, intention, prayer with unstoppable action. So overall, what I would say is this is a week of a very powerful momentum, which begins with an important choice, your confident action, and the choice that leads to a well deserved victory and recognition. And the blessing is to stay balanced and open hearted, allowing a new joyful opportunity to come your way with Page of Cups and with Chariot, as I said. So, your determination and clear communication are your greatest tools. So, make a choice from your heart, act with passion, celebrate your success, and stay balanced. So, this week, your focus will is unstoppable. So, if this reading resonates with you, please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to my channel, I Heal Divine, as it really means a lot to me if you just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, so you'll get more and more different types of readings which I will be coming up with for you. Till then, thank you so much.